Okay guys, as I mentioned in the previous video, change of pace this week. We're going to do matrix equations, but we're only doing adding and subtracting with them. It's easy, trust me, watch this. So first of all guys, remember, if you can't find it on your assignment page, don't panic, just search it. Type in the title here, matrix equations, addition and subtraction. Heck, just type in matrix equations. You'll probably find it that way. Okay? So, as you can see my little hand there, I'm going to click on that practice problem. The last video, again, we did this and this in it. Okay? We're going to skip the video. Of course, you can watch the video if you want. I'm just not going to assign it to you. I'm going to focus on the notes and the practice problems to try to keep it simple for you guys. Here we go. So, here's the first problem that came up. They're telling us that this matrix plus x, which is another matrix, together equal this matrix. Now remember guys, what that means is 5 plus something here equals 1, right? So couldn't I just do 5 minus 1 and say that first number must be 4? Or I should say uncorrected, negative 4. So let me start over here. Does everyone agree 5, watch our signs, with a negative 4 is 1? Right? Okay, so let's just keep doing it that way. Notice the next one has 5 here. We're trying to get a 1 again. Do you agree? Again, that's negative 4. Look at the next one. Do you agree that's negative 7? We're supposed to add something in our matrix X that gives us 5. Now guys, do you agree that's 12? Negative 7 plus 12. You know, we'll just go through the math one more time after we're done, just to double check our work. All right, let's do the next one. The bottom left number is 2. What do I add in here to give me 4? That's just a 2. Let's do the next one. I have a 3 here. What do I add in here that could give me negative 2? If you think carefully, that's got to be a negative 5. Finally, negative 6. What do I add in here that's going to give me a 9? That's positive 15. Now guys, just follow the, let's say, purple, or I'll do blue. I think it'll show up good enough. Do you agree that if I take 5 and a negative 4, I get a 1? Again, if I take 5, a negative 4 again, I get that 1. If I take negative 7 and I add 12, don't I get 5? In other words, 12 minus 7 is 5. A 2 and a 2 make a 4. A 3 and a minus 5 makes minus 2. A negative 6 plus 15 gives me 9. Pretty simple, right? Let's do another one without so much work, though. Check out this one, guys. 4 plus what in here would give me 6? You would put a 2 there, right? 4 plus 2 is 6. A negative 5 plus what in here would give me 3? That's an 8, right? Isn't 8 minus 5 3? Yeah. All right, let's do the next row. A 9 plus what in here? That's what's going to be right here, by the way. 9 plus what's going to give me a 2? Well, that's negative 7. Isn't negative 7 and 9 2? 9 minus 7 is 2. Finally, negative 2 plus what in here? Remember, this is the what that's going right there. So negative 2 plus what there is going to be 11. Well, that's 13, right? Isn't 13 minus 2 11? That's all there is to it, guys. How about we do one more and we'll call it quits on this. You have to do 1 or 2 more on your own, however. Okay? So let's try this one out. 4 plus something here has to be negative 3. That's negative 7. 4 minus 7 is negative 3, in other words. Negative 4 plus what in here is going to be 4? That's an 8, right? Isn't 8 with a negative 4, 4? 2 plus what in here gives me 6? 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus what in here would be negative 17. Ooh, think hard. That's going to be a negative 25. Negative 25 plus 8, guys, is negative 17. By the way, guys, there is the calculator option that's on this screen that's not showing, but it's on the screen that you could use to help you out. 7 plus what in here would be 9? Well, that's simply 2, right? Because 2 plus 7 is 9. And then finally, 1 plus what in here would be 18? That would be 17. Okay, guys. So you're going to have to do 1 or 2 more on your own. And then you will have aced doing matrix equations with addition and subtraction. See you around, guys.